Yeah. No more games. I'm done with confusion. No games. I don't play that role. You can't break my soul. No games. I'm taking control. I'm letting you go. No games, no lies, no pain. I won't fall again. No games. I'm breaking the chain. I'm not the same. I gave you love, you gave me doubt. Turn my inside out. Every promise turned to dust. Girl, you broke my trust. I stayed when I should've left. You drained every breath. Now I see it crystal clear. You were my biggest fear. I don't hate you, I just see what this love did to me. Now I'm walking out the door. Can't take it anymore. I try to fix what was fake, but my heart can't break again. I'm choosing me this time. I'm crossing that line. No games, I don't play that role. You can't break my soul. No games, I'm taking control. I'm letting you go. No games, no lies, no pain. I won't fall again. No games, I'm breaking the chain. I'm not the same. I used to call your name at night, praying it would be alright, but silence answered back, and love went off track. Now I dance with the stronger mind, leaving pain behind. You had your chance with me. Now I'm finally free. Girl, I wish you all the best, but I passed the test. No more tears in my eyes. I'm done with your disguise. Oh, I'm finally free. Yeah, no more pain in me.